center and cloud. Data center and clouds are terminology has been used increasingly. Is every day. This is the terminology we are using every other day. Data center and cloud, and they are also every data center has. You can see what the idea is. It provides you the outside perimeter security, on-premise security officer. We have fences, gates, continuous video surveillance, security breaches alarm. Inside perimeter security, we have the electronic motion detector. So he's talking about some of the physical security area. Okay, so data center is where rather than you hosting the devices inside your office, you can buy maybe a one room, and you can put your devices over there. People all over the country or all over the different area or small offices, they connect to the data center. So the idea is, rather than keeping the application, for example, in a different offices and managing them, they keep everything in one location. They provide you rack space, rack facility, power, cooling, everything in one go. And most importantly, security, the physical security. If you need to access particular area, you need to show your identity. Once you are in the building, then further you can only go into the particular area and you can do particular task. Okay, some data centers are very, very secure. They do their eye scanning. For example, they take your identity, fingerprints. Okay, and they're very, very restrictive. Cloud point of view, as you know, the VM, normally cloud or virtual networks, where we now are renting our storage computer at some unknown position. We don't know where that physically is located, but if you need if you need a server, you can buy on Amazon, Alibaba, I think Google is also there as well, and Azure. They are very popular. Azure and Google are very popular, but Azure and AWS are quite popular. AWS is part of the Amazon, right? So AWS is part of the Amazon, right? So you can see there are many hyperjacking instead of activation. So these are we provided you some of the attacks we have in the